Welcome to the newscast. I'm Tom Warbeck. Let's get straight to your afternoon headlines. Vacuum giant Dyson says it will build its first electric vehicle in Singapore. The British manufacturer saying today that it will complete the Singapore assembly plant by 2020. Dyson also sticking to a goal of rolling out its first model by 2021 as part of a $2.6 billion effort to expand into the auto sector. Meanwhile, construction is still ongoing at Dyson's England test facility, which includes a handling track and an off-road route. Tesla shares jumped today. This after longtime critic and short seller Citron Research praised the success of the EV maker's mass-market Model 3 sedan. The firm says the Model 3 is a proven hit, and many of the warning signs surrounding Tesla aren't significant. The U-turn comes a month after Citron sued Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk. The firm claimed Musk fraudulently engineered his since-abandoned plan to take Tesla private to, quote, burn short sellers. Citron, however, is not withdrawing the suit. Nissan saying today that its Leaf is the first EV to win regulatory approval as an energy backstop for Germany's electricity grid. So-called vehicle-to-grid tech is a connection between the EV and the grid. Power can flow from the grid to the vehicle and vice versa. The move potentially enables car owners to sell energy to the network, while utilities could use EVs as a backstop if demand rises. Nissan expects the program to attract corporate fleet customers. Ford saying today that it will halt car production at a plant in Spain for 9 days during November due to low demand. The automaker adding that engine production will also stop next month for 13 days. Some of those engines are sent to Canada for the Edge crossover. Let's move back to the U.S. for part 2 of our Sales Race Roundup series. And today, we'll focus on some speedy rides. The Ford Mustang is on pace to collect its 4th consecutive pony car sales crown. Through September, Ford has sold more than 61,600 Mustangs. The Dodge Challenger, about 9,300 units behind, is in second place. And look at the Chevrolet Camaro, a distant third, as sales have slipped 26% so far this year. Moving on to other speedsters, last year Jaguar outsold Alfa Romeo by more than a 3-to-1 margin. A different story in 2018. Alfa has sold nearly 10,000 Stelvio crossovers this year, and that's helping the Italian sporty luxury brand draw closer to its struggling English rival. Jaguar sales are off 30% through 9 months to about 21,200 units. Meanwhile, Alfa sales soaring 147% to nearly 18,200 vehicles. We'll check in on the big brand leaders tomorrow. Until then, have a great day.